Welcome to our YouTube video on the Ethical Hacker Roadmap 2024. In today's digital age, cybersecurity is more critical than ever. With the ever-evolving threat landscape, ethical hackers play a pivotal role in safeguarding our digital world. Let's dive into the facts and figures that make this topic not just interesting but essential. So moving to the introduction, cybercrime is expected to cost the world $10.5 trillion annually by 2025, making it one of the most lucrative criminal activities in history. The demand for ethical hacking is skyrocketing with 3.5 million unfilled cybersecurity jobs, and the average salary of a certified ethical hacker in the United States is approximately $97,000 per year, and it's consistently one of the highest paying IT certifications. Now let's explore the roadmap that will guide you to become an ethical hacker in 2024. And before that, if you are an aspiring cybersecurity professional looking for online training and certifications from prestigious universities and in collaboration with leading experts to enhance your credibility, then search no more. Simplilearn's postgraduate program in cybersecurity from MIT University in collaboration with EC Council should be your right choice. The course is designed to accommodate a diverse range of learners, and this course requires just a bachelor's degree with a 50% average and no prior programming experience, and 1+ year of work experience is preferred. And for more details, you can use the link mentioned in the description box below. And if these are the types of videos you would like to watch, then hit the subscribe button, like, and press on the bell icon to never miss on future content. So stay tuned with us until the end of this video, and don't forget to register your opinion in the comment section below. Now starting with what is ethical hacking. Ethical hacking, often referred to as white hat hacking or penetration testing, is a cybersecurity practice in which individuals known as ethical hackers or penetration testers legally and responsibly attempt to uncover vulnerabilities and weaknesses in computer systems, networks, applications, and other digital infrastructure. The primary goal of ethical hacking is to identify and resolve security flaws before malicious hackers can exploit them. And now we'll see the essential skills for ethical hacker. Certainly, here a list of essential skills for an ethical hacker, starting with strong understanding of networking. That is, ethical hackers need to have a deep understanding of networking protocols, how data travels across networks, and the vulnerabilities associated with different network configurations. Number 2. Programming and scripting. Proficiency in programming languages like Python, C, C++, and scripting languages is crucial for writing custom exploits and tools. And the next is cybersecurity fundamentals. A solid grasp of basic cybersecurity concepts, including threats, vulnerabilities, risk management, and security principles, is fundamental. Now coming to next, that is operating system. Familiarity with various operating systems, including Windows, Linux, and Unix, is essential for understanding their vulnerabilities and security configurations. And then comes the web application security. Knowledge of web technologies, web application vulnerabilities such as SQL injection, cross-site scripting, and security best practices for web development. And then comes the penetration testing tools. Proficiency in tools like Metasploit, Nmap, Wireshark, Burpsuit, and other penetration testing tools used to assess system vulnerabilities. And then we have cryptography. Understanding of encryption, decryption, cryptographic algorithms, and their role in securing data. And then there is wireless security. Expertise in wireless network security, including Wi-Fi encryption protocols and vulnerabilities. And then we have security compliance and standards. Knowledge of security standards and compliance regulations such as PCI DSS, HIPAA, and GDPR. And the next skill is incident response. Being prepared to handle security incidents and breaches effectively, including forensics and analysis. Understanding of social engineering tactics used by attackers to manipulate individuals into revealing confidential information. And then comes ethical mindset. An ethical hacker must adhere to a strong code of ethics and prioritize responsible disclosure when vulnerabilities are found. And now we will move to Ethical Hacker Roadmap 2024. We'll start with step 1, that is, build a strong foundation. Building a strong foundation is crucial in the journey to become an ethical hacker. Start with a deep understanding of computer science, mastering the basics of hardware, software, and networks. Familiarize yourself with operating systems and their functionalities. Entry-level certifications like CompTIA A+ and Network Plus are your stepping stones, ensuring you grasp the core concepts of IT. A strong foundation forms the bedrock upon which you will build your ethical hacking skills and knowledge. And then comes step 2, learn programming. Learning programming is a gateway to unlocking endless possibilities in the digital world. Start by understanding the basics of coding logic and syntax. Explore languages like Python, known for its simplicity, or JavaScript for web development. Practice regularly, work on real projects, and seek online tutorials and courses. Embrace problem solving and debugging, and gradually you will master the art of programming, opening doors to a world of software development and innovation. Now, moving to the step 3, that is understand cybersecurity basics. Understand cybersecurity basics is crucial for any aspiring ethical hacker. It involves comprehending the core principles of protecting digital systems and data. Key concepts include identifying threats, vulnerabilities, and the importance of risk management. Certification programs like CompTIA Security Plus can provide an entry point into this realm. These basics form the foundation for ethical hacking, enabling individuals to recognize and combat security weaknesses, making the digital world safer. And then comes the step 4, that is, dive into ethical hacking. Dive into ethical hacking is a critical step on the journey to becoming a skilled ethical hacker. During this phase, you will focus on honing your penetration testing skills and mastering the art of ethical hacking. The Certified Ethical Hacker certification will be your companion, providing you with the knowledge and tools to identify vulnerabilities and secure systems. You will explore real world scenarios, test networks, and learn to think like a hacker while maintaining ethical standards. This stage prepares you to safeguard digital landscapes effectively. And then comes step 5, that is, continue learning. Continuing learning in ethical hacking is essential. The cybersecurity landscape evolves rapidly, so staying up to date is a must. Explore advanced certifications like CISSP and Certified Ethical Hacker CEH to deepen your knowledge. Follow industry news, blogs, and research to remain informed about emerging threats. Join ethical hacking communities, attend conferences, and engage in ongoing practice to hone your skills. Remember, continuous learning keeps you at the forefront of cybersecurity and ensures you will be well prepared to protect digital assets. And now we'll move to the step 6, that is, gain practical experience. Gaining practical experience in ethical hacking is crucial for honing your skills. Participate in Capture the Flag competitions, CDF, where you can solve real world challenges and learn to think like a hacker. Explore hands on labs and exercises that allow you to practice various hacking techniques in a controlled environment. Engage with ethical hacking communities, share knowledge, and collaborate on projects to build a strong practical foundation in cybersecurity. And then comes the step 7, seek employment. To seek employment as an ethical hacker, craft a resume highlighting your skills, certifications, and experience. Look for opportunities in industries such as finance, healthcare, and tech companies, where cybersecurity is paramount. Network with professionals in the field, explore job boards, and leverage online platforms. Ethical hackers are in high demand, so be proactive in your job search and showcase your commitment to safeguarding digital assets. And then comes the step 8, keep evolving. Keep evolving. The world of ethical hacking is constantly changing. To stay at the forefront, always be curious, embrace new technologies, and adapt to emerging threats. Regularly update your skills, earn advanced certifications, and network with fellow hackers. Remember, the cybersecurity landscape evolves, and so should you. Stay ethical, committed, and dedicated to safeguarding the digital realm. And now, moving to the job roles and average salary. So, the first job role for an ethical hacker is security analyst, and the average salary in United States is $150,000 per annum, and in India it's 11 lakhs per annum. And then comes the penetration tester, and its average salary in United States is $145,000 per annum, and in India it's 13 lakhs per annum. And then comes security consultant. Its average salary in United States is $120,000 per annum, and in India it's 10 lakhs per annum. And then comes security engineer. Its average salary in United States is $156,000 per annum, and in India it's 8 lakhs per annum. And then comes the incident responder. Its average salary in United States is $105,000 per annum, and in India it's 7 lakhs per annum. And now moving to the companies hiring cybersecurity professionals or ethical hackers. So the companies are Amazon, Accenture, Google, Apple, and Intel. So these are the topmost companies, and there are tons of companies that hire ethical hackers. So in conclusion, the Ethical Hacker Roadmap for 2024 is your key to a promising and rewarding career in cybersecurity. As the digital realm expands, so do the threats, and ethical hackers are the frontline defenders. Embrace this journey, and you will not only have a secure future but also the opportunity to be part of something bigger, protecting the digital world from malicious intent. And this was all for this tutorial. Hope you guys found it informative and helpful. And if you are an aspiring cybersecurity professional looking for online training and certification, from prestigious university and in collaboration with leading experts to enhance your credibility. Then search no more. Simplilearn's advanced executive program in cybersecurity in collaboration with NPCI should be your right choice. And with this program, you can transform your career in 6 months, that is for India's specific region only. And this course provides a high engagement learning experience with real world applications and is designed for individuals who want to start a new, more fulfilling career. And if you like this session, then like, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions, you can drop them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more from Simplilearn.
Staying ahead in your career requires continuous learning and upskilling. Whether you're a student aiming to learn today's top skills or a working professional looking to advance your career, we've got you covered. Explore our impressive catalog of certification programs in cutting-edge domains, including data science, cloud computing, cybersecurity, AI, machine learning, or digital marketing. Of our programs and set yourself on the path to career success. Click the link in the description to know more.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.